You're buying traffic, and the traffic shows up, and it still doesn't turn into orders. The instinct is to buy more traffic. That's like pouring more water into a bucket full of holes. In this video I walk the exact path a shopper takes, from the product page to the payment button, and I show you where the money drains out. None of these fixes cost ad spend, they just stop the drop-off. The first drop-off is speed. If your product page takes longer than 3 seconds to load on a phone, you've already lost about half the people, and they leave before they see anything. The usual culprit is a giant hero image that was never sized for mobile. Test it yourself, on a real phone, on mobile data, not your office Wi-Fi. That single test will tell you more than any dashboard. The second drop-off is the unanswered objection. Every product has one question that decides the sale. Will it fit? How long does it last? What happens if I don't like it? If your page doesn't answer that question, the shopper opens a new tab to find out, and most of them never come back. Find the one question for your bestseller and answer it right on the page, in plain words. The third drop-off is surprise shipping. When the shipping cost shows up only at the final step, that is the single biggest reason carts get abandoned. It isn't always the amount, it's the surprise. So show the cost early, or set a clear free shipping threshold, or build it into the price. Whatever you choose, the shopper should never get an unexpected number on the last screen. The fourth drop-off is the forced account. When you make a first-time buyer create an account before they can pay, a chunk of them just leave. They came to buy a product, not to join something. Offer guest checkout, and ask them to save their details after the order is done. You still get the email at purchase, so you lose nothing and you keep the sale. The fifth drop-off is trust at the payment step. This is the moment doubt peaks. The shopper is about to hand over a card to a brand they met 10 minutes ago, so put the reassurance right there. The return policy in one line, a real way to reach a human, a familiar payment option. You reassure them exactly where the hesitation happens, not 3 pages back where they've already forgotten it. Fix the path before you raise the budget. Every dollar you add to ads flows through the same bucket full of holes, so fix it first. If you want me to find your store's specific drop-offs, I do that in a 72-hour audit for $497, and you get the fix list, not just a report. The free checklist is linked below. Subscribe, and next week I tear down a real store live.